In this video, I will tell you about the Attribute Manager tool of AutoCAD, and the Attribute Manager can be used to change the properties of attributes in the blocks. So we have this drawing which we have made previously, and we have these three attributed blocks added here. Now let's say that we want to change some of the properties in this attributed block. For that, we can use the Attribute Manager tool, and it can be accessed from this expanded block panel. So expand the block panel and click on this Attribute Manager tool. Alternatively, you can also use its command equivalent, which is BATTMAN, which is quite similar to Batman. So I'll simply type the command and now press enter. So here we have this block attribute manager. Now in this case, you'll see a list of block here on the top. So here we have these two attributed blocks. So if the drawing contains more than 2 blocks, it will be visible in this list. So I'll select this window 10 inches block. Now all the properties related to that will be visible here, and you can modify its properties by selecting this edit button. So click on the edit and we have this edit attribute window. Now we have these three simple tabs: the attribute, text option, and properties. Let's start with the attribute. Now this attribute has all the information which you have seen on the attribute window, like the tag, prompt, and default value. Also, we have some of the options here on the mode panel, so you can change them as well if you want. Now here we have this tag value. Let's say that we want to change this tag value and we want to change it to dim 10. Also here we have the text options. Now if you want to change any of these values, for example the text height, width factor, and all the other settings like the justification or the text style, you can do it from here. We have some additional properties also, for example the layer assignment and the line type, and also the color that you can also change from here. So let's change this color to green, and now the auto preview has been checked, so that means the preview will directly be visible in the drawing. Now click on OK, apply, and here we have it. The preview is visible here. Now click on OK again, and the attribute has been updated here. You can also directly access the Attribute Manager tool by double clicking on the blocks containing attributes. So if you double click on the blocks which has attribute value, you'll see this enhanced attribute editor window. Now it is similar to the Attribute Manager which we have seen, and here also we have the attribute, text option, and the properties. Now in this case also, let's change the color, so that will make the changed property quite visible. We have the changed property visible here. Now let's click on OK, and here we have it. So in this way you can selectively change the properties of different blocks containing attributes. Now in this case, if you want to open the block editor for any of these blocks, you can simply select the block, then right click and go to block editor. So in that way you can open the block editor, because simply double clicking a block will open the attribute editor instead of opening the block editor. So that was all about Attribute Manager tool of AutoCAD.